Ow, ow. Break your middle. Break your middle.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall, then I let my trunk be the green by Motown.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the style of the summer. I'm talking about that curly flip over half wig $20 style. So the first thing you're going to want to do is part out a section in the front of your hair from ear to ear. This is the section that you're going to leave out to blend with your hair. You can definitely leave out less hair than I did. I just have really thin hair in the front. And then for the rest of the hair, you want to part it in two sections and do two dookie braids. Now, if you can't braid, just throw it into a little small little bitty bun in the back. It is curly hair, so it's kind of going to mask the bun. You're not going to be able to see it. So then you want to pin the two little ugly dookie braids in the back. The synthetic half wig that we're using in this video is by Motown Tress called QE Abby. I love Motown Tress. They eat down. I've been using them since like 2016. So one of my tricks with half wigs is to spray it with water and then comb through it, because if you don't, it's just going to become frizzy. When you spray it with water first, it takes away some of the frizz. Make sure you secure the wig directly behind the parted section in the front. I will say the only thing I don't like about Motown Tress is that they don't have drawstrings, and I prefer drawstring wigs, but what you can do to combat that is just bobby pin it in place.
Rock to the beat for your boy. Shout it, yeah, yeah.
Money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank.
Shout it, clap it, shout it, type it. Should've stayed there all night, it. When you, I missed you. Picture it, now it's time I get back up with you.
She got me like low cut fingers with the deep wave. So quick to snatch up your Beyonce. Always coming down, popping our way. Telling us the country girls the kind of girls I ain't for better be straight. If you're looking at me, I need a soldier. Gonna carry me.
So the most important part of the tutorial is the blend. Make sure you're blending it really well. What I like to do is twist my pieces in with the hair to make sure that it's not sticking up, it's sticking out so that you won't be able to see it. But the blend is just 100% the most important part. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Jumping. We say